Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. For this, first of all, open any browser you have in your device. For now, I'm using Safari. Then type instagram.com/support and go through it. There you will see this page. From here, click on the three lines on the top right corner and then go to the manage your account and hit on the first option, signing up and getting started, and scroll down on was this helpful, click no and then select other. From here, on the description box, describe briefly about your issue that you want to recover permanently deleted Instagram account, and then give them username and password as well. Instagram team will help you out within the 24 hours. This is the only way to recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.